Welcome to the Pro Sheet Employee Performance Tracker tutorial. This powerful tool is designed to help you monitor and evaluate employee performance efficiently. Let's walk through the features and functionality of this tracker, step by step. When you open the Employee Performance Tracker, you will be greeted by the Home sheet. This sheet serves as the central hub, providing navigation buttons to move between different sections of the tracker. For instance, if you click on the Instructions button, the Instructions sheet will open. To return to the Home sheet, simply click the Home icon available at the top of every sheet. Additionally, a Back to Top button is provided at the end of each sheet for easy navigation. Let's begin with the Instructions sheet. This sheet contains the essential guidelines on how to effectively use the Employee Performance Tracker. It includes general settings and specific Microsoft Excel settings to ensure smooth operation. Next, let's explore the dashboard. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview and analysis of employee performance. Here, you can view key metrics such as employee score, employee rank, employee rating, remarks. Additionally, the performance of all departments and supervisors is displayed. If you wish to see the performance data for a specific employee, you can select their name from the drop-down menu. Similarly, you can select a department or supervisor to review the performance data for a particular department or under a specific supervisor. The dashboard also includes graphs that illustrate performance by department, performance by supervisor, employee rating. These visual representations provide a clear and detailed view of employee performance across the organization. Now, let's move to the Settings sheet. This sheet contains predefined variables used in the Employee Performance Tracker. These variables include performance criteria, department names, supervisor names. You can modify these variables according to your specific needs, and any changes will automatically update throughout the tracker. Next, we have the Employee Detail sheet. This is where you can enter and manage employee information. You can input the employee's name, ID, department, joining date, and supervisor name using the drop-down list provided. Any changes or additions made here will automatically update in the Employee Performance Tracker. In the Performance Tracker sheet, you can evaluate an employee's performance by selecting a rating from 0 to 5 for each performance criterion. For example, you might rate an employee's job competence 3, time management 4, quality of work 2. You can fill in all the performance criteria by selecting the appropriate ratings based on the employee's performance. Finally, we arrive at the Employee Performance sheet. This sheet provides detailed performance metrics and ratings for any employee. By selecting an employee's name, you can view their employee ID, department, supervisor name, joining date, performance score, rating, remarks. Additionally, you can change the category being evaluated, for example, selecting work ethics. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on the Pro Sheet Employee Performance Tracker.